Yo, Ron the Professional, what's good, dog? It's Melly Belly Beats once again. Showing you a quick view. My man cave. Yeah. Studio / gaming center right here. And there he is, CK-1, console killer in full effect. Ron, baby 1080, dog. Yo, for real. It's decent shit. Definitely digging it. Project Akira. Baby Thanos rebirth. Still looking sexy than a mother. You dig? Yeah, I got good temps on it. Play games like 54, 56, and whatnot. Not bad. I'm gonna change that fan though. I ain't have a 120. Regular 120. I had some bullshit LED. Threw that in there, but it's alright. It'll do for now. Hey, yo, Ryan, what's up, man? Show your rig build, dog. Yo, I throw 50 beans up, man. Let's do this, man. Let's get it cracking. You know what I'm talking about? Come on, man. A little section right here. When I was a youngster back in the day, to get my collection on, man. For real. I see that right? Spawn, dog. Word, I'm out. Peace.